Quick shout out to Tasmanian educators. I'll be running some workshops in May in Hobart that I hope you'll consider coming along to. The workshops are designed, well, one is designed for teachers, one is designed specifically for school leaders. The link to register for them both is below this video. What we're going to be doing is sharing the stories, the strategies and the frameworks being deployed by about 250 schools now around Australia that allow them to stop having to draw a distinction between a practice framework that supports academic and student learning growth and one that supports social growth and character development. They're actually telling us that when we choose an all-encompassing practice framework, that the relationship between academic growth and social growth becomes a symbiotic one. They feed each other, and the results that these schools are achieving is quite extraordinary. Not just in terms of students, but in terms of the stress levels, the effectiveness levels, and even the retention of their teachers and their school leaders. So we want to put that on your agenda and see if that's something that sounds like you in your leadership and teaching and your school would like to access. I can't wait to meet you all there, and I hope you'll consider coming along.